What is up guys, it's Sean here again. Today I'll be unboxing the all-new iPhone 15 Pro Max from Apple. And actually it's been out for 2 months now. I think it came out in September or something. And I finally decided to upgrade from my old iPhone, which is the iPhone 14 Plus. And that's the iPhone that I'm using right now to record this video as well. And yeah, I decided to upgrade because I really like the new titanium finish on the newer 15 Pro Max, as well as the camera system on it. You know, there are so many new features, but most importantly, because of the titanium finish, the phone is a lot more lighter now, and I love the new natural titanium color on it, and that's the one that I opted for. And yeah, this package just came in today, and let's go ahead and unbox this up. Alright guys, so here's the box that it was shipped in, and let's go ahead and open this up. And by the way, I bought it from Amazon, that's why it was shipped in this Prime delivery package. Here it is guys, iPhone 15 Pro Max in the natural titanium color. I opted for the natural titanium color because I think the natural titanium looks the best compared to the other ones. Let me cover the serial number. It just says iPhone 15 Pro Max, designed by Apple in California. Includes the iPhone 15 Pro Max and all the other stuff. Actually just the USB-C cable. And here it says the model number is 15 Pro Max and natural titanium, 256 GB version. That's the one that I got. I think that's enough for me. I didn't want to get a 512 or 1 TB. Okay, yeah. Now let's go ahead. This box is a little dirty. I think it got dirty while they were handling it at the warehouse, most probably. And the iPhone logo is on the side, and on the top the Apple logo is in natural titanium, matching the color of the iPhone, I'm guessing. Let's go ahead and open these seals up. Get this box out of the way so we have more space. Okay, should slide up. And here it is guys, the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Wow, let's look at this color, man. Looks so nice. Wow, and the sides are a little shiny actually. The titanium on the sides is shiny. It looks so good. Wow. And the back is matte now. It's not shiny glass anymore, it's matte glass. It looks so good. And the edges, you can't feel anything. It's like the glass is embedded inside the body. Like you can't feel it. Wow. And the edges are more round now compared to the previous iPhones. Oh, and finally it has the USB-C cable. Finally, Apple decided to go with the USB-C because of the pressure from the EU. And yeah, this is a camera system that I was talking about. It has the all-new 48 megapixel sensor now. Also a zoom lens and the wide angle lens. Let's put this to the side for just a moment and see what else we get. And we get the USB-C cable, and also the cable is braided. Wow, so they're using the braided cables now. This is much better than the old cables because these ones have better durability and are more long-lasting than the rubbery plastic ones. So I'm so glad they're including these cables now. Wow, this is the first for Apple. And see, we get Apple stickers. You no longer need a physical SIM card. I wish they did have a physical SIM card in the American version, but they don't now. This is the user guide, safety information, and here it is guys, the Apple sticker. It's the plain old classic white Apple sticker. And I'm guessing that is it. That is all we have in the box. Now let's go ahead and peel this plastic off the screen. Alright. Here it is, man. Look at this. This looks gorgeous. You can See the FaceTime camera and the face unlock sensor up there. Oh, looks so good. Let's go ahead and turn this on. It's almost full. The battery is almost full. Nice. Okay, let's like English, United States. Appearance, I want it to be default. Bring your current iPhone or iPad near this phone to sign in and set up. Let me do that real quick. So I brought my iPad mini close to it. It's giving me the option to set it up right away. Hold your new iPhone up to the camera. Okay, like this. Getting things ready. Okay, this is the first time I'm seeing a setup like this. I've never seen this before. And you can also see the size of the phone compared to the iPad mini. Of course, iPad is in the cover, but about the same thickness, I would say. iPhone is a little thicker. This is the back. Get a better view. All right, so it's all set up. Now let's go ahead and join the Wi-Fi real quick. Okay, just give me a second. Okay, so it's activating my iPhone now. And the sides are much better at handling fingerprints now. So they're not fingerprint magnets like the previous ones, because the older iPhones had stainless steel on the sides. So it was very shiny. This one's shiny too, but not as shiny as, of course, the stainless steel. So this is a lot less fingerprint magnet. Even the back, same for the back, yeah. So much better now. I'm gonna update it later. Continue. Let's go ahead and set this up real quick. All right, Face ID is now set up. So click continue. All right, so the password is set. So let's go ahead and agree the terms and conditions. All right, so it's setting up the iPhone now. So I just received an email that a new device was added to my account. It's probably doing all that in the background right now. Wow, man, look at this phone. Isn't this the best color Apple has ever come up with? Easily the best color, man. And the best material. Best looking iPhone ever, in my opinion. Oh, and they also changed the mute switch. So it's actually a physical button now. And yeah, here are the speaker grills, the USB-C cable port, and here's the power on and off switch. Nothing really on the top. So it finally went through that step. Now it's asking me to make this my new iPhone. All right, so it's asking me to add my cards now. I'm gonna do this later. All right, so we're through that now, and let's go ahead and yeah, sure, audio recordings. You can toggle silent mode on and off or check its status in Control Center. Okay. It's always been like that on the iPads. So this is the action button that I was talking about. So you can actually customize it to open camera or flashlight or access favorite iPhone features. That is great. I think I'm gonna change it to camera because that's what I use the most. Wow, look at this. Guys, look at these animations. Looks so good. So you can turn on focus mode, camera, and flashlight. Nice. Voice memos, magnifier, shortcut, accessibility, no action. I'm going to use it for the camera and actually for the videos. Because sometimes you really need to record videos real quick. And this is so nice to have set it up on a button. So with just a press of a button, you'll have access to the video camera. So you record anything you want real quick. Or even in emergencies, you know, sometimes people have to record videos. This is an amazing feature, in my opinion. Wow. All right. Has the emergency crash detection, that's what it said. So I think it's finally set up. Yeah, it is. All right, so let's go ahead and pull the brightness up all the way so you can feel the screen better. And wow, look at the screen, man. This is gorgeous. So bright. It's actually a lot more brighter than my iPhone 14 Plus that I have. Also the 14 Pro Max that I had before, which I sold. You can already feel the smoothness of the screen as well, because this is 120 Hertz compared to the 60 Hertz on my 14 Plus. And wow, let's open up the camera. Okay, portrait modes. We know that. So let's go ahead and take a picture real quick. Let's use the 5x optical zoom on this. Wow, amazing, man. Look at that quality, that detail. Let's take another picture. Check that out, man. Check out that detail. Amazing. This is the lens that I'll be using the most, the zoom lens, which has 5x optical zoom, which is amazing. And I think you can zoom in a little further as well. So all the way up till 25x. Wow. So on the 14 Pro Max, the maximum was 10x. But now you can go all the way up till 25. That is amazing, man. Loving that. Loving that, man. Let's see the front camera. So you guys can see my face as well. Behind the camera, behind the phone. And let's see how the weather app works. Looks amazing on this gorgeous screen. Yep, I would allow that because I want to see the weather on my home screen. And that is going to be it for this video, guys. I hope you liked this video, and I'll be posting more videos on this phone in the future. Especially I'll be doing a gaming test on this phone and see how well the games run, how well the processor is on this, to test out the GPU performance and give you guys an overall opinion of mine on this phone. And so far I am loving this phone. And look at this color, the material, wow. And this is so lightweight compared to the older iPhones. That is the best upgrade. This is just amazing, man. Amazing phone. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you liked it. And if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, please subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.